We guide you through how to fix iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi. First, turn your Wi-Fi off and on again from the control center, then restart your iPhone completely to refresh the network system. If it still won't connect, go to Settings, tap Wi-Fi, select your network, and press Forget this network. Then reconnect by entering your password again. Next, check if airplane mode is turned off because even a small toggle mistake can block all connections. After that, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Reset Network Settings. This will not delete your data but will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile settings. Also make sure your iOS is updated by going to Settings, General, Software update because outdated software can cause connection bugs. If the issue still continues, try restarting your router or connecting to different Wi-Fi to confirm if the problem is your iPhone or network. And finally, if nothing works, contact Apple support because it may already be hardware issue with your Wi-Fi antenna.